Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020, and today is the 12th day of school, and we're going to take the number 12 and we're going to show it in the many different ways that we can show numbers, and that is standard form, base 10, expanded form, and word form. These are all new terms, and we're going to be talking about this every day whenever we do our number of the day. So this is many different ways to represent the same number. And the number that we're going to be talking about today is the number 12. All right, so the standard form, anytime I ask you to do the standard form, I'm asking for you to just give me the digit. And the digits of the standard form are 1, 2, 12. 1 and 2 make 12. There's a 1 in the tens column and a 2 in the ones column. All right, so that is standard form. Standard form is just the digits. That's how you represent the number 12 in digits. Now, let's move on to base 10. These are your blocks. Remember when you have what we call longs? And this is worth 10. There are 10 individual little bitty squares that we call shorts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 make a long. And then we've got shorts. And the digits that we had in the number 12 was a 1 in the tens column and a 2 in the ones column. So that means we have one group of 10, and I'm going to draw that. I call that a long. And then I've got 2 ones or 2 shorts. And I'm going to put this on the table so you can see it. You've got 1 long and 2 shorts. And that represents the number 12 in base 10 form. Now we're going to move to expanded form. And expanded form is where we take the number and we expand it into each one of the columns. So let's say we have a 1 in the tens column. That means we have 1 10. If we see here, we have 1 10 or 1 long. And that equals 10. So we've got 1 10 that equals 10 plus how many ones do we have? So this equals 10, and this equals 1, and this equals 1. So I've got 1 plus, or 10, 1 and 1 is 2. So we've got 2 ones. We have 1 10, which equals 10, and 2 ones. If I add these two numbers up all together, 10 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. That equals 12. Is that my number of the day? Yep, it is. That's my number of the day. So when we do expanded form, you're taking it and you're stretching it out. You're taking each individual place and adding it together. We have one group of 10, and that equals 10. And then we have 2 ones, and if you add those two together, you get 2. 1 and 1 is 2. So that equals 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. That is our number of the day. The last way to show the number of the day is called the word form. And the word form is where we spell the word out. So the word 12, t, 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 and I know it begins with a T. Now this is where your papers, your reference papers inside help. Because if you look on the back, you will see inside that we have our number words on here. So I bet I can find 12. 12 right there on our word wall that is in your reference sheets at home. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And this is many different ways to represent one number.